everybody, my name is Cecilio Gonzalez, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the diabetes plate method. So the diabetes plate method was made by the American Diabetes Association to help create low carbohydrate meals that may help with managing blood glucose, also called blood sugar. The diabetes plate is a great way to create healthy meals with a good balance of vegetables, protein, and carbs. We're going to start with a plate that is 9 inches across, and this is really going to help with controlling our portion sizes. And so we want to fill half our plate with non-starchy vegetables. These non-starchy vegetables are going to help you feel full without raising blood sugar as much, and this is because they are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. They also provide many vitamins and minerals. Some examples are going to be broccoli, cauliflower, cucumber, salad greens. In this example here, I have bell peppers and onions, and as you can see, half the plate. And a quarter of the plate is going to be our lean protein. Now, protein is very important for health, and for this part, we want to focus on lean protein options, which are going to be lower in saturated fat. And saturated fat has shown to increase the risk of heart disease, so that's why we want to focus on leaner protein options. And that's going to be any lean cut of beef, a lean cut of pork, fish, chicken, turkey, eggs. So we would also like to fill 1/4 of the plate with our carb foods. Now, carbs are going to have the most effect on blood sugar, so keeping them to 1/4 of the plate can help keep blood sugar from rising too high after a meal. Now, some examples of carb foods are going to be whole grains, starchy vegetables like corn, acorn squash, green peas, potatoes, sweet potatoes, beans and legumes, fruits, and dairy products like milk and yogurt. And that's going to resemble the diabetes plate. Now, for your drink, your beverage, water is going to be the best option because it has no calories or carbohydrates to affect blood sugar. But low calorie and 0 calorie drinks are also an option, so like unsweet tea, sparkling water, and diet sodas. So today I have this very delicious beef fajitas plate. This recipe fits the diabetes plate method and can be found on the American Diabetes Association website, which is diabetes.org. Now, the non-starchy vegetables, like I mentioned, are bell peppers and onions, half the plate. 1/4 is a lean protein, this is going to be our steak. And then the last quarter, our carb food, which is a whole grain tortilla. So total, this plate has about 470 calories with about 31 grams of carbohydrates. Very well balanced and a delicious meal. Thank you.